We are spirit, and you are in the world in flesh. You are spirit in flesh. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame, drawing the breath into your body, relaxing, drawing the breath into your body, being here and being there, being everywhere. We are Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. We are Saint Germain with you tonight. We are Saint Germain holding energy around the planet. You have no idea how much your true hearts connecting to spirit help shift the consciousness of this planet, help shift the planet into a vibratory phase of unity consciousness, of divine harmony, of unconditional love. We are Saint Germain. Together we are a melody and a symphony in this universe. You are part of the movement into consciousness. The more aware you are in every moment of the day of your awareness and of your ability to be fully present in the moment, the more powerful your energy becomes, the more powerful you resonate out into the universe. Think of the sun of your planet. Think of the sun and how it shines on the earth and how the energy of it beams down, changing the earth, creating synergies and chemistries that bring plants and life to humans, to vegetation, to animals, to your entire world and planet. You are like the sun when you hold yourself still in your own unity in the light. You become divine harmony when you become unified with the self. This full moon, according to your astrology, is about relationships. It is about the relating to one another. This year, 2016, is about divine harmony. What you are seeing in your world that looks like agitation and chaos, whether it be in your individual world or the world around you, the world of your community, of your neighborhood, of your planet, those things that you see that are not in harmony, that are diseased or not in ease, those things that you see are the things that are surfacing as unity moves into place. Unity consciousness moves into place within human beings, and you are all experiencing a deeper connection in the relationship with the self. Now then, this is not news to you. You have heard about relating to your higher self, your child self, your inner self before. What we speak to you tonight about is your relating to your past self. Why has it been so important, and why have we spoken so long about becoming fully present in the moment? Why have we spoken to you about becoming fully present in each moment? We have spoken to you because you are coming into a full circle with your karmic past and with your future. By coming fully present in the moment, you are able to overcome karma and move into grace. The more of you that become fully present in each moment, the more you can move towards being in grace. Breathe in your own body. Breathe deeply into your own body. Open your hearts and be together. Open your hearts and be together. I am Saint Germain. Now, the karmic self is something that you have experienced in your incarnations in physical forms, some in other star systems and some on this earth. Those karmic vibrations have been closer to the surface than ever before because they are moving into harmony with the fully present in the moment self. Think of this for a moment. You are becoming fully present with your past. Human beings came to the earth, and human beings had veils placed at a certain point in their growth over their knowledge of the other worlds, of the pasts, of their incarnations. You are in a time when those memories are coming forth in your dream times, through your body and its activities. Some of the diseases in the physical are bringing you deeper into the inner knowing of past vibratory soul scars and patterns, and you are in the process of releasing them. Many of you will release them with greater consciousness, in other words, remembering something and consciously releasing it, while others may not do so quite in the same way. You are nevertheless releasing them. The more you can come into the moment, fully present, with love, the more you will be able to understand wholeness and transformation. I have spoken to you before about this age. The Christ consciousness came 2 months ago on the full moon to speak to you. Lord Sananda, the new soul name of the one that was Jesus the Christ in that incarnation, and the one that was the master, the ascended master of the Piscean age. I am the ascended master of the Aquarian age. You hold a reflection with me, and that you are all transformers. You are all able to transmutate and to make changes in your world by being you. The more you become you, the more you become you in this lifetime, the more that you are moving into that transmutational vibratory pattern that you hold. And so, to become you, you have to be fully present in the moment with all of the yous from the past, with all of the selves, the shadows, the emotional selves, the selves that are created by thoughts that are hidden away. Those selves have all been coming to the surface. You know this. You have felt them. Your dreams have shown them to you.